Hello and welcome to Meditating with Objects. I'm Jackie, and today's meditation will be using a pair of tennis shoes. You can either use the shoes that I have here, or you can find your own pair to use for your brief meditation. Wherever you might be, you want to allow yourself to get comfortable, being grateful in this present moment that you're taking time for self-care. Allow yourself to get still and quiet. Awareness of the space around you, the sounds that might be around you. And then in order to allow them to kind of dissolve into the atmosphere, we go inward and try to focus mainly on the feeling, the sensation, and the sound of your own breath. So when you step into your first inhale of awareness, I'd like you to start by feeling it, feeling the temperature of that inhale, and then feeling the temperature of your exhale. Each time you step in, feeling that cool air coming in through the nose, and then the warm air out through your nose or mouth. Begin to bring awareness now from the temperature into the sensation. As you feel it move in through the nose, maybe you can feel it come in through the throat, eventually inviting it down to feel the sensation all the way into the chest, into the lungs. And again, everything else just seems to dissolve or kind of float into a background, that what you're experiencing right now is just the breath. And if your mind happens to go somewhere else without any judgment, just pull it right back to the breath. Again, we'll take a nice deep breath in through the nose, this time exhaling through the mouth. And then we bring our awareness to the tennis shoes. Awareness to the color, to the fabric, maybe to the style. Awareness of the shoelaces, or maybe lack of shoelaces. Awareness to the bottom of the shoe, the sole, the tread. Awareness to the age of the shoe, whether it's brand new or if it's older. Awareness to maybe memories of where that shoe has been. Imagine that you have those shoes on and what they feel like on your foot. Imagine where you would go or places that you've been while wearing these shoes. Imagine what they feel like around your foot, how it feels to stand and walk in them. Imagine a place wearing these shoes that you could go that you haven't been to yet, but would like to go. And what would that feel like? Imagine coming back home and taking the shoes off and setting them back down, being grateful for where they took you, the experiences that they've been given. Take another deep breath in and exhale. Thank you for joining me on this short meditation. Namaste.